Welcome to our handkerchief paper production line. Today, we will show you how to improve production efficiency and reduce labor costs through an automated production process. Our machines are equipped with imported photoelectric sensors, making every action more precise and operation smoother. The width of jumbo raw paper can be customized to meet your production needs. Utilizing a PLC programmable controller allows for adjustable control of frequency conversion, while the multi-touch screen operation system makes it easy to operate. Our folding machine features automatic separating and counting functions, with a separating quantity of 8, 9, or 10 sheets, ensuring the quality and quantity of every pack of handkerchiefs. The machine speed can reach up to 800 sheets per minute. The fully automatic 3D package forming packing machine makes each handkerchief package look more appealing. Automatic single bag packing machine with a packing speed of 110 bags per minute, enhancing the product's market competitiveness. The paper feeding and film feeding are controlled by photoelectric sensors, ensuring that no film is fed without paper, thus avoiding material waste. Our machine is equipped with a stop function for paper jams, effectively protecting the equipment and reducing material loss. Each single bag's packaging film will be automatically cut and labeled, ensuring professionalism and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, our automatic bundling machine has a packing speed of 22 bags per minute, further increasing efficiency. Choose our handkerchief paper production line, and you will experience the perfect combination of efficiency, precision, and beauty. For more information on toilet paper manufacturing machines, please contact SLL Machinery. We look forward to cooperating with you.